everyone, welcome back to Story Time with Hajira. Today we are reading Oscar. So let's get started. Oscar is a grouch. When his friends say hello, Oscar says, "Go away!" Oscar lives in a trash can. He likes messes and yucky food. Slimey is Oscar's pet worm. Slimey likes grouchy bedtime stories. What is a good gift for a grouch? A stinkweed. Oscar likes his friends, but he likes it best when they scram. The end. Bye.